Dog's upstairs. We're just gonna see what happens. Anyway, let's just do something, shall we? It's kind of cool lighting, huh? I don't know why they do this. They're holding it onto the metal with a piece of wire poking through a hole. See? You see that? And this one too. Just lazy. It's just fucking lazy. Oh. Of course, why would it be simple? Well, it was actually quite simple, wasn't it? I just gave it a fucking front kick. Front kick to the neck. Came straight off. See if I can rain down some fucking power on this next one with a left front kick to the face. Didn't even need it. Didn't even need it. Well, I got it in a choke pinch and just pinched it straight off there, as you can see. Good bit of rust around here as well, because obviously, you know, it's shit. What it is that I find interessante about this is very little. It's very not very interesting.
Don't be an idiot like me. Watch the full episode on my channel, The Biggest Boat. See what happens.